Hi, this is Cindy with Magazine Mama. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the text on the pricing page in the Headshots magazine template. So I've got the page opened up. I'm going to hit no, not to update it, and I'm going to click on the pricing text layer. And by the way, I'm using Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. So click on the pricing text layer, click on the text tool, hit OK to continue. And then I'm not going to select the entire text or the entire paragraph at a time. I'm just going to select the text without the option 1, option 2, option 3. So I select that, highlight it, go to Baskerville and click the drop down on Baskerville, hit regular. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the following 2 paragraphs. And then if I want to change the text of option 1, 2, or 3, I'm going to do that separately as well. So click Baskerville and make that bold. So hopefully this video has been helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions.